Alright guys, so today we are doing a headlight installation on this 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. So we're going to be upgrading those headlights to the newer style. These are the headlights that we are going to be installing. It's going to give it the nice LED line. Alright guys, so these Cherokee right here, to replace the headlamp assembly, you do have to pull out the upper cowling. All these little plastic here, you can just undo it, and then we're gonna be pulling off the bumper to get to the bolts for the headlight assembly. So we're just gonna flop it over. Just leave it open like that. It's not gonna break, it's plastic, so this is gonna hang there, and then we're gonna undo that bolt right there, and then we're gonna pop off, go from the side, undo the bolts on this side, and then I believe the lower has a cover too, so we're gonna undo here. I don't know if you can see that. So you have your screws there. So once you get those little tabs pop out, you can just pull it out, and let this one come out. So we don't need it out completely all the way, because we're only pulling off the bumper. If your car does have the over fender like this, you just grab it, just kind of pop it, and that should be enough for us to pull the bumper. Okay guys, so if your car is equipped with the fog light option, so what we're gonna do is get behind here. So I just peel back the fender liner, come in here, we're just gonna unplug it and just let the light bulb hang down, so we don't have any issue pulling off the bumper with it. Take it in, just pop it off, and then if you are replacing your light bulbs, you'll just pull off the fender liner to get to the fog light. Also, okay guys, so we are looking at underneath the vehicle. It does have those more of those twist styles. So just twist, pull, twist, and then pull, and then we have our our bumper. Excuse me, our bumper is now loose. So what we're gonna do now is to peel the bumper. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna grab it here. So there's multiple clips in between here. So we're just gonna grab it. It's gonna be kind of tight, so we're just gonna pop it. So that guy's popped. Grab it from behind. So you want to peel it. And then there it goes, it pops. Okay guys, so just like that, there's also clips on here, so you do have to just kind of tug it kind of hard, it will pop off. I'll show you guys here. This is where it clips by the headlight, so just kind of tug a little bit harder, it'll pop off. So we're gonna go ahead and install the new one. Okay guys, check it out. What do you guys think? Looks pretty decent. Looks a lot better than before. Comment down below, what do you guys think? Hit that like too, to support this channel. I do this so that you guys don't have to go through all the hassle of try to figure out yourself. So hopefully this helps out. But I'm gonna go ahead and put everything back together, just repeat the process. All right guys, got the headlamp put on, tested, bumpers on, so I'm about done now. So hopefully this video helps out. If it does, hit that thumbs up, and then if you guys are new, subscribe to your channel. Also follow my build. I also do bunch of aftermarket stuff too, but then I also do a lot of repair stuff too. But anyways, so headlight, everything's all adjusted. Hopefully this video helps out. hit the like, subscribe to the channel, and until next time, I'll see you guys later.